If you browse the internet without hiding your IP, your identity will surely be stolen. You must hide your IP, and you will be protected. If you want to browse the internet safely without your identity and data being stolen, you must install the most awarded software in recent years. You will protect your computer and cell phone at the same time. You must click on the link in the description and download it for free. Next, see how you can install it on your computer and also on your cell phone.